This next question says that using multi-base blocks, 1 cube equals 100,000. Model the number 1,500,000. So this time we are not only doing calculation, we also have to draw the cubes, and if there is a possibility of a flat or a rod or a block, we should draw it because they said we should model the number. It means we also have to find the number of cubes that we need to use for our model. So that is what we are going to do. That is what we are going to calculate to be able to find the number of cubes that we need to use. So as you can see here, I have my pencil, I have my eraser in case I make a mistake. In case I make a mistake, then I have my ruler as well here. You need a long ruler, and you need a long ruler as well as a short ruler when you are going to the B.E.C.E. So remember that. Alright, so let's do our calculation first. We have been given in the question that 1 cube, it said 1 cube equals 100,000. So we can say that 100,000, I'm writing the 100,000 on the left because we want to find the number of cubes. So the number of cubes has to be on the right. That is why I'm writing it this way. So it means that 100,000 equals 1 cube. So if 100,000 equals 1 cube, then 1,500,000 will be how many cubes? That is what I mean. So if 100,000 equals 1 cube, then it implies that 1,500,000. Now in mathematics, we have something called if more, less divide. Now 100,000 gave us 1 cube. So if we have 1,500,000, then it means it is definitely going to give us more cubes. So we compare 100,000 and then 1,500,000. Since 1,500,000 is going to give us more cubes, then we will use the 100,000 to divide 1,500,000. That is what I mean by if more, less divide. 1,500,000 is more than 100,000. Since this is more, we are going to use the less to divide the more. So 1,500,000 divided by 100,000, then we multiply it by the cube times 1 cube, like this. And that implies we can do the cancellation of the zeros, but I don't like cancelling. It makes your work clumsy. So you can see that these 3 zeros, they take care of these 3 zeros. And these 2 zeros also take care of these 2 zeros. So even there are 5 zeros down here, so they will all cancel the 5 zeros at the top. That means you are going to have 15 for this ratio times my 1 cube. So if I have 15 times of 1 cube, it means I have 15 cubes. So it implies that it implies that 1,500,000 will give us 15 cubes. So we say therefore 1,500,000 is also equivalent. Is equivalent or is equal to 15 cubes. So it means that we need 15 cubes to be able to model 1,500,000. But when we talk of multi-base blocks, we know that 10 cubes will give me 1 rod. So if I have 15 cubes, it is the same as 1 rod plus 5 cubes. So it means that I can draw 1 rod and then add 5 cubes to it. So let's draw a rod. So watch how I'm going to draw my rod, so that when you are also drawing in school or in class, you can also draw it. Alright, so I'm going to draw my rod. I need 10 lines. So from here I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to draw 10. I'm going to connect 10 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 lines. And since I want boxes at the front, it means I have to try and make sure they are squares. So this is not bad. Okay, let's use it this way. So you can connect them. So this is the front, or the front part of the rod. Connecting it at the top sometimes is quite tricky. Connecting it at the top is sometimes quite tricky. So this can be your rod, and then you draw 5 cubes. The cubes, you can draw them down here. You can even put them together like this. So So this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5. Remember, this is not drawn to scale. When we say something is not drawn to scale, it means we didn't measure it. So let's connect this. Alright, so it means we have 1 rod and then 5 cubes. So this solves our question. We said we are modeling 1,500,000. So you can write it under it, 1,500,000. And that is your solution. Alright, thank you very much for watching the video. See you in another video. Goodbye.